Roll that beautiful leaving footage.
New Crocs, who dis? We got a new plant and it's so cool. I need to take the price tag off. Hey.
Hey.
Good morning, y'all. We are on the way to pick up our groceries. We're also gonna grab a smoothie. I hope we do that first.
Smoothie King, baby.
Smoothie King on the way to pick up our groceries. It's 11 o'clock. This week, here are the focuses. So last week was a little meh, but it's okay. We're getting right back to it. Consistency is definitely key here. And this week, I just feel like since I've started working out, so this is the start of week 7 of consistent workouts, and I've been just so hungry. And I haven't really adjusted my calories, so I'm still having like 500 to 600 calorie lunches and dinners, and it just doesn't give me a lot of wiggle room to the point where I'm like, okay, well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat, even if it's over my calories, because my body is telling me like, you're hungry. So I just need to be more strategic about where I'm using the calories. So I already made a meal plan, and we're having breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and dessert, and it leaves me at about 1,500 calories. And that will be like my extras. So maybe I do extra sauce, maybe I do an extra serving, aiming for about 16 to 1650 calories for the week. So a little more high volume, low calorie in a day. So I can eat more, feel more full, but the calories are still low. So we're off to get groceries. We'll catch you guys up and show you the haul and the meal plan when we get home. And that's all. I also brought my greens in a wine glass because it's portable and it has a lid. So there we go. What'd you say?
Grocery haul, bitches.
Also, here is the grocery haul for the week. This is mostly breakfast, lunch, and snacks. I have a lot of the dinner stuff on hand already. But starting with drinks, I picked up what am I trying to say? I was trying to say cranberry. I picked up the Raz Cranberry LaCroix. Sound like I was going to say I picked up this crap. Sparkling water. I got some creamer for Morgan. This one is really good. If y'all like coffee mate creamers, this one tastes very good.
Yeah, it's good.
He loves it. We got 2 of the cherry slush. Alani knew. Morgan loves cherry things. I also got Breezeberry. We both like this one. 2 of those. And then one of y'all told me to get the True Lemon. I've had these before, but I kind of forgot they existed because they have they're made with cane sugar and stevia instead of other artificial sweeteners. So we're going to try this, strawberry lemonade and regular lemonade. For snacks this week, I'm going to have the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. I got the 6-pack, so it has 3 blueberry and 3 strawberry. This could also be dessert if I decide. And I saw somebody do this somewhere, I don't know, on Facebook maybe, and they grabbed these little pouches. So they're Captain Crunch, and they're 60 calories per little bag, and they mixed them with their yogurt. And I said, yes, please. That sounds amazing. Also, I'm going to do some rice cakes, and I have some Laughing Cow cheese in the fridge. I meant to buy turkey. I kind of messed up on my proteins. I'm probably going to have to pick up some more at the grocery store tomorrow. Just make a quick run on my way home or something. But I was going to do rice cakes with Laughing Cow cheese and deli turkey. Little protein snack in the afternoon at work. Some cucumber, which I'm going to do with some tuna probably. And for my salads. Some kiwi. I got 2 of those. I'm really obsessed with kiwi lately. Bananas, which are very green. And then for breakfast, I'm making McMuffins, but without cheese. So I'm doing egg white on a 100-calorie English muffin, these, and some Canadian bacon. I already plugged those in, and it will be, I think, 25 grams of protein and 205 calories for that sandwich in the morning. For lunches, I'm going to have a couple of salads. So I got croutons and the Olive Garden light dressing. Going to do a mix of these crisp greens and baby greens salad with tuna, which again, I thought I had a whole 4-pack of these, but I only have 1 left. So I'm going to have to get some more of that tomorrow, but I'm going to do a can of tuna. This is 100 calories and 22 grams of protein with some tomato and cucumber. For dinner one night, I'm going to have my Hearts of Palm noodles, which are from Trader Joe's, with some chicken and some Alfredo. I might do that on 2 nights with some maybe broccoli or something. Got these veggie straws for Morgan's lunch, and I'll probably have some of these as a snack as well if I want them. They're 130 calories for an ounce, and you get quite a bit. So if you weigh those out, you really do get a big serving. Non-food stuff, we got some Tylenol, toothpaste, and a little eyebrow spoolie. Okay, also have something exciting that has just been added to the store, and that is these magnetic dry erase boards. So they're very thin, just like a magnet, stick easily to your fridge instead of having the whole notepad, and you can just wipe it away really easily using any dry erase marker of your choice. I'll link the ones that I like down below. They're a little bit thinner, but I've written my meal plan up here so you can see my dinners. I might not have these on these specific days, but these are sort of my plans and stuff that I have already on hand. The chicken Alfredo, a burrito bowl with rice, and then some cauliflower rice stir fry. We're going to a crawfish boil on Thursday. Date night, Friday, we kind of do our own thing and just figure it out that day. We have a soccer game on Saturday night, and Sunday I'm going to a bridal expo with my sister in Austin for her. She's getting married next year, so I'm not sure what those days are gonna look like yet. But for the work week, I've got McMuffins for breakfast, tuna salads, all of the snacks written out, and then what I need to prep, just my salad probably for tomorrow, and the McMuffins for the full week. You can buy these on my website. I'll link it for you down below. They are $26. My little muted rainbow collection. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. So I'll link those if y'all are interested. So I meant to buy an extra one of these and I just forgot. I still have about 1 serving left of the Tyson buffalo chicken strips. These are really good, not breaded, great macros. I'm a huge fan. So that will be kind of the star of the show for dinner. I'm gonna pick up some more tomorrow. And then we haven't tried these yet, but the John Souls beef fajitas. Morgan, I think, is gonna do some nachos with these, and I might make a burrito bowl, like big salad bowl with rice and lettuce and all the toppings with that as well for dinner. And as you can see, we're not lacking in the frozen food department. So I'm gonna try to use up some of this week so we can hit up Costco soon. So I will be picking up some chicken, some extra tuna, and probably some deli meat just so I can get in some extra protein with that rice cake snack. And we already have Laughing Cow on hand. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan for the week. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling refreshed, excited. We got smoothies today. We're going over to my parents' house to watch some March Madness basketball today, and they're having fajitas. So it's already going to be a great day. I'm excited. And I will let you guys know how the week proceeds. Also, I'll be having my protein coffee and my greens every single morning as I do. I'm gonna film a What I Eat in a Week this week, so stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't, and stick around so you don't miss that upload. That is like my most popular video lately, my What I Eat in a Week, so you don't wanna miss it. It will be coming in the next couple of weeks. Excited to share it with you. Let me know what y'all are having on your meal plan this week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.